how to fix Facebook Watch video icon tab missing. This tutorial shows you how to restore the Video or Reels tab on Facebook for your Samsung device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. This menu is accessible from any tab or page on Facebook. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings. Your Facebook settings will load. Look for Tabs or Tab Settings in the list. Tap on Tabs to manage your navigation bar shortcuts. Moving forward, you'll see all available tabs with toggle switches next to them. Look for Video, Watch, or Reels in the list. You'll notice it's toggled off or unpinned. Tap on the toggle switch next to Video or Watch to enable it. Afterwards, the switch will turn blue, indicating the tab is now active. You can also drag and rearrange the order of tabs if you want. Tap the back button to save your changes. Go to your Facebook home feed. Look at the bottom navigation bar. The Video or Watch icon should now appear in your tab bar. Tap on it to access Facebook Watch and Reels. Your Facebook Video tab is now restored and ready to use. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Facebook Watch video icon tab missing, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.